Minasan, konnichiwa. I will be guiding you through Japan, and the topic is culture. Culture covers way too many aspects. What does it all entail? Well, to be sure, I looked it up. In the dictionary, it says the arts, beliefs, customs, institutions, and other products of human work and thought considered as a unit, especially with regard to a particular time or social group, Japanese culture. As you may know, Japan has one of the world's longest and richest culture. To better navigate you through the diverse culture of Japan, I found an excellent video that I want to share with you. So let's visit Japan together. Hello, everyone. My name is Lehua. Out of the diverse Japanese culture, my focus today will be kimono. As a little girl growing up in Japan, I love wearing kimono, especially during the summer festivals. During the festivities, I would often beg my mother to dress me up in a kimono So my friends and I can go to the nearby bone dance. Kimono. Let's take a look at the word kimono. As you can see, the word kimono is actually in two parts, ki and mono. The ki character in Japanese language means to wear, and mono, which is a noun, means thing. Kimono, in other words, is something to wear. Kimono, it can be either informal or formal wear. The informal wear is called yukata. Here in this slide, on the right side, you will see a bone dance in Hawaii. It's actually on the island of Oahu. Many of you may have already visited some temples and shrines in Hawaii and have participated in a bone dance before. The summer wear, informal wear yukata is different from the formal wear that you see here on this slide. Yukata is a lighter summer cotton garment versus this formal wear is lined. It's usually lined and worn with a fancy obi. Now, when you want to try on a kimono, which is like a robe, but not to be mistaken as a robe expressly when wearing it. When you are wearing a kimono or trying one on, unlike the robe, the left should come on top. The left part wraps over the right side. For women especially, it is out of habit to put the right over. However, kimono, regardless of whether you're a man, male or a female, the left always comes on top. And it is placed over the right side. The right side is only on top for the deceased. If and when you have a chance to visit Japan, I would highly recommend you to try the kimono experience. Lastly, here is a traditional wedding attire. They look like dolls, don't they? They are actually the royal couple of Japan when they got married, obviously, the emperor and the empress. Japan is the only nation in the world with an emperor. Imperial House of Japan has the world's longest unbroken genetic monarchy dating back to 1660 BC. Well, a quick overview of the Japanese culture, and I hope you learned something new about kimono today. ご清聴ありがとうございました。